Okay, we're about to do a demonstration of the Kmart standing upright vacuum. Retails for about $12 at Kmart. So if we have a look at the machine, it's got a nice little sturdy handle, some wheels, and then it's got three functions here: an on, an off, and then a try me function. So the try me function works if you press this little button here. Everything spins around. And then the on function keeps it on the whole time. So these little balls, little colourful things spin around inside. It makes a nice little vacuum noise. So to actually use it, put it down and we'll see if it works. So this one's a little bit different. It doesn't have suction. It's got underneath, it's got a real little brush that moves when you move the machine. So it probably won't suck up the polystyrene balls, but it'll slowly get them when the little brush moves and when you roll the machine along the floor. So we'll try with something bigger. Okay, let's try it. Now, this is where all of the collected bits go. So let's see if there's anything that got collected in here. Not really.
I'll just wait some more lap.
Okay, now we're going to try something a little bit lighter to pick up. So we've just got some little bits of scrunched up paper.
Pretend pet hair.
Which is also pretend pet hair. And we'll see if it can pick those up. Let's see. Struggling on that. So the results for the Kmart vacuum are a fail in terms of functionality. It doesn't pick up anything, but for the price, it's a pretty good pretend vacuum. And sometimes when you roll it around the house, it does actually pick up a few things. So we'll probably give it a pretty good. So Ruben, what do you think of this one? Kmart one. Good?